Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my tutorial series of dual booting Ubuntu 16.04 with Windows 10 on the Dell XPS 139350. In this video, we will prep the laptop for installation. These are important steps without which Ubuntu will not install. So let's get to it. First up, we are going to change some BIOS settings. To enter the BIOS or UEFI menu, repeatedly press the F12 key when you see the Dell screen upon boot, and this boot option menu will pop up. From here, we will choose the USB when installing Ubuntu, but for now, select BIOS setup. On the web, you will find many people saying change this setting and that one, but I find that you really don't have to mess around with all these settings, one of which is secure boot. Some say leaving it enabled will prevent Ubuntu from booting, but that is not the case. Ubuntu has come a long way and is secure boot friendly, so leave it enabled for security purposes. Similarly, you don't need to enable legacy option ROMs or any other setting for Ubuntu to boot. The single most critical option that you do have to change is the SATA operation mode from the default RAID on to AHCI. The reason for this is if you leave it at default RAID on option, Ubuntu installer will not detect your hard drive, and changing this setting has no negative impact on your system's performance and stability. But be warned that if you change it now and reboot, you will break your Windows installation. It will not boot. So here is how you do it properly. Open up msconfig. In the boot menu, select Safe Boot Minimal and press OK. Since we haven't selected the Make All Boot Settings Permanent option, this change will reverse upon boot. Now, reboot the laptop. Go into BIOS and make the change. Let it reboot into safe mode and Windows will instantly and automatically recognize and configure the needed drivers, but you will not see anything happening. Boot out of safe mode into normal mode and Windows will boot without any issues. To check if you were successful, open Device Manager. Under IDE controllers, you should now see SATA AHCI listed, whereas before it said NVMe. Now we are ready to install Ubuntu, which we will do in the next video. So stick around for that. See you next time.